So you've gone through your first year of divorce and you thought, sure, after that, things are going to be good. But what if you're feeling more unsettled than the first year of divorce and your family is still feeling discombobulated and you're missing that center? Where's the center? How can you ground yourself? Hi, I'm Susan Regan, and I've been running divorce groups for moms for over 17 years. And what I found is that the whole time of settling after divorce is a recalibration. It's an envisioning of how you can get your needs met and raise a family at the same time. And maybe you were always trying to figure that out in your marriage, but now it's up to you. How are you going to create the support system around you and figure out what your needs are and make sure everyone's taken care of? Sounds like a big job. In this group, we talk about practical things. We talk about support. We talk about dating. We talk about money. We talk about dealing with co parenting with your ex. And we also talk about your kids' mental health and how you can continue to support yourself and your children and possibly your career, friendships, all the other things that we do as moms. So if you're looking for a place to really dig in, start working on your life, creating more settled feeling and centeredness in your family, give me a call. Let's have a conversation and see if this is the right group for you.